It's over here.
No, I said it was right here. Go ahead. Let's do it.
I can't just do it. I have to rub it out. Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
You feel your knee.
It's more like right in
You
here.
know, I can feel your knee in there.
Fucking tickles and shit.
You should see him. Don't move it. Now we're gonna go this way. Hey,
Alright.
don't.
Dude, that fucking hurts, dude.
Of course it's gonna fucking hurt. Don't feel good. Just move it. Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
The main tendons. There.
Aw, you two little lover boys.
Do you want some lotion? It'll slide better if you.
Matt looks like he's jerking off an invisible cock, dude. He keeps jerking.
Look at that. Oh God, yeah.
He's like, I just came
Rub
again.
that meat.
Look
Rub
at me.
it.
Look at me.
Rub
Oh
it.
shit.
Look at him.
Orgasm.
He's just like so happy. Oh, kicking his leg, just like a doggy.
Fuck. At least we're not flicking each other's dicks like someone I know.
What an ass.
Walker.